Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the Follow-Up Boss tutorial. Follow-Up Boss is a real estate CRM customer relationship management platform built especially for real estate agents, teams, and brokerages. It helps users manage and follow up with leads, streamline communications, and stay organized throughout the sales process. It's popular because it's focused on what real estate professionals actually need: fast response times, team collaboration, and automation. Now, to begin using Follow-Up Boss, you first need to create an account. Once you sign up, you land on your main dashboard. This is your command center where you can see your lead pipeline, upcoming tasks, team activity, and recent communications. Everything is laid out to help you take immediate action on your most important task. One of the first things to do is connect your leads resources. Follow-Up Boss supports automatic lead importing from resources like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Facebook ads, Ylopo, and your own real estate's website. This means every time someone fills out a contact form or submits its inquiry, their details will appear automatically in your system, no manually enter needed. After that, you can set up lead routing rules. If you're working in a team, you can decide how leads are distributed among agents. For example, you can assign leads based on price range, zip code, or in a round-robin fashion. This ensures fair and efficient distribution, and it helps make sure leads don't sit unanswered. Each lead in the system gets its own profile. This profile contains the lead's name, contact details, property interest, communication history, and more. You can also assign tasks, add tags, and write notes about the client. Everything is saved in one place so that any team member can pick up where someone else left off. Follow-Up Boss also comes with a built-in calling, texting, and emailing. That means you can call a lead directly from your computer or the mobile app, and the call will be logged automatically. You can send SMS messages and emails, and you'll see them all in leads activity timeline. It's useful because you never lost track of what you or your team say to a client. To make things even easier, Follow-Up Boss offers automated action plans. These are step-by-step workflows that you can assign to leads. For example, you can create an action plan for new buyer leads that sends a welcome email, schedules a follow-up call the next day, and reminds you to check in 3 days later. It helps make sure every lead is followed up on consistently. There's also an inbox feature which works like a shared team inbox. All messages, emails, texts, and voicemails appear in one place, and you can respond or assign them to another team member. This makes it easy to stay on top of new inquiries and reply faster. For teams and brokerages, Follow-Up Boss includes a team management section. This lets you monitor agent activity, view detailed productivity reports, and understand how each team member is performing. You can see how many leads they've contacted, how many clients they've made, and how fast they're responding to new inquiries. Another useful part of the system is deals section. You can create a deal for each client and track the progress for a transaction from the first conversation to the closing. You can add custom stages like showing scheduled or offer sent to match your sales process. It also tracks the expected commissions for each deal. On top of that, you get detailed reports. These include lead source performance, so you know where your best leads are coming from, agent response time, email open rates, and more. This data is helpful for improving your team's performance and making smart marketing decisions. Follow-Up Boss also works great on mobile. The app gives you access to your leads, tasks, messages, and call while you're on the go. You can even get push notifications for new leads so you can follow up immediately, even if you're in the field. It integrates with popular tools like Google Calendar, Office 365, Zapier, MailChimp, BombBomb for video, emails, and more. This means you can keep your other tools connected and create a more efficient workflow. Follow-Up Boss allows you to track lead website activity in real time. If you're using it with ITX websites or lead generation platforms, the CRM can show what pages a lead visited, which properties they viewed, and how often they returned. This helps agents prioritize hot leads who are actively browsing listings. There's also a feature called Smart List. These are customizable filters that automatically sort leads based on criteria you set, like last contact date, price range, stage in the pipeline, or even specific tags. It's a dynamic way to stay organized without needing to manually manage every contact. Follow-up Boss also support lead temperature indicators, where you can label a lead as hot, warm, or cold. This gives agents a visual cue when scrolling through their list, so they can quickly focus on lead most actively to convert. Another detail is the Power Dialer add-on. It lets you call through long lead lists without stopping. As soon as one call ends, the next begins automatically, and all calls are tracked. This is useful for follow-up blitzes or prospecting sessions. For accountability, Follow-up Boss has detailed activity login. You can see every action an agent takes, from opening an email to texting a lead to completing a task. Manager can track team performance in depth and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. They also offers a white label email system, so when agent sends emails through the CRM, it looks like it's coming directly from their personal address. This helps boost reply rates and keeps communication personal rather than looking automated or corporate. Follow-up Boss supports email templates with dynamic fields, like auto-filling the recipient's first name, property address, or agent signature. This saves time but still keeps messages personalized. They've recently introduced multi-channel campaign tracking. So if you're running ads or generating leads across platform, Google, Facebook, or even offline sources, you can assign source tracking and know exactly which campaigns are generating ROE. You can also use the team notifications. These are custom alerts that ping team member when certain conditions are met, like lead revisiting a listing or a deal moving to a new stage. It's great for keeping teams engaged without constant manual check-ins. Follow-up Boss has a strong customer support system. They offer live chat, personalized onboarding session, and ongoing strategy calls. Their support isn't just technical, it's also consultative, meaning they'll help you optimize your CRM for how your specific team works. Follow-up Boss includes a comprehensive calling system that gives you a unique phone number for making and receiving calls directly within the platform. Every call is automatically logged, and you can even record calls for training or review purposes. This helps maintain a full history of your conversations without switching between devices or apps. You can also send group text to multiple contacts at once, which is especially useful for prompting open houses or sending quick updates to a segment of leads. It also supports smart lists that update in real time based on filters you set. For example, you can create a small list to show all leads who opened an email in the last 7 days and haven't replied. This dynamic view helps you stay focused on leads that are currently active and likely to convert. Follow-up Boss integrates seamlessly with over 250 lead sources, including Zillow, Realtor.com, Facebook ads, and your website contact forms. Leads from this platform are pushed directly into your CRM in real time, so there's no delay between someone showing interest and your team getting notified. You can also monitor agent activity without detailed reporting tools. Managers can view which agents are making the most calls, sending the most emails, or closing the most deals, all from an easy-to-read dashboard. This helps you recognize top performers and identify where others might need support. And finally, Follow-up Boss includes mobile app features like instant push notifications when a lead opens an email or clicks a link. This means you can follow up when the lead is actively engaging, improving your chances of making contact at the right moment. Follow-up Boss also supports lead pound features. This lets leads be shared in a common pool where multiple agents can claim them based on availability or performance. It helps larger teams make sure no leads go cold simply because a single agent was unavailable. You can set rules for how long a lead sits in an agent's inbox before it gets released back to the pond. Another useful feature is auto pause for action plans. If a lead replies to a message or take a specific action, Follow-up Boss can automatically pause the ongoing automated workflow, allowing agents to step in and communicate more personally. This helps avoid awkward follow-ups for automation when a human reply is more appropriate. You can also use website tracking pixel to monitor when your leads visit your website again, even days or weeks after initial contact. This gives agents a behind-the-scenes look at renewed interest and help prioritize follow-up with people who are browsing listings or blog content. Follow-up boss includes custom event tracking, which lets you track specific actions leads take, such as requesting a tour, favoriting a property, or downloading a guide. These actions can trigger alerts or next steps, helping you automate even more of your pipeline. In terms of email, it provides open and click tracking on a contact level basis, so you can see exactly who's engaged and who might need a different type of outreach. Plus, it lets you A or B test your email to find out which subject lines or templates perform best, something many CRMs don't offer at this level of simplicity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.